Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SR Tech Hub Official. As part of Linux and shell scripting course, today is the day 6 video. In this day 6 video, I'm going to show you how to install software in Linux machine. Also, I will show you how to download Tomcat server. Fine. Before starting today's topic, please subscribe my channel and to get more technical videos. Also, you can get free cloud courses like AWS, Azure and others. Don't forget to like and share these videos so that it will reach a lot of people and it will help a lot of learners who wants to learn Linux cloud courses with free of cost. Yeah. Now, coming to today's topic, today I'm going to show you how to install software on Linux machine. As you know, we are using Ubuntu Linux operating system, Ubuntu Linux machine for this videos. Yeah, for this entire course we are going to use Ubuntu operating system. Fine. Now also I will show you how to download Tomcat server. So what is this Tomcat server? Tomcat server means it's a web and application server. Whenever you want to run any application, for example, if you want to run a Java application in a Linux server, you need to download this Tomcat server from the internet and you need to deploy that build or application, whatever, in this Tomcat server. Fine. Now I will show you how to install software in your Linux machine. Now we will just install Java. For this Java installation, for any installation, not only Java, for any software installation, if you want to install something in Ubuntu Linux, first we'll give apt-get update. So what is this apt-get update? Apt-get update command will download the packages, latest packages. It will fetch to your system. It will let your system know what are the latest packages in a repositories. Then once you execute apt-get update, you need to execute apt-get install command. Apt-get install. If you want to install Git, you can do install Git. Fine. Now, if you want to install Maven, so because as I told you, I will cover this Linux and shell scripting series in DevOps perspective. It should be useful for DevOps engineers. So that is the reason. Apt-get install Maven. Same, if you want to, but before giving this install command, apt-get install command, you should give apt-get update. Now, apt-get, if you want to install Java, apt-get install open JDK hyphen just version of that JDK. JDK means Java Development Kit. Then JDK. So this is the package name, open JDK hyphen 21 hyphen JDK. If you want to install 17 version, you can give 17. So like this. Now I will install 21 version. Fine. If it is Red Hat Linux, you will give m update, m install. Even in CentOS also, CentOS flavor of Linux also. But in Ubuntu, we should give apt-get. Fine. Now, let me just, this is my Linux machine. Now I will install Java here. First, apt-get update. If you observe these logs, you can see. So this will contact the recent packages. That means the latest packages in repositories. Fine. It will fetch that recent latest packages to your machine. Yes, it's done. Now, apt-get install. If you want to install Git, you can just give Git. If you want to install Maven tool, you can just give like this. Fine. Now, I'm installing open JDK. That means Java 21 JDK. Fine. Enter. Yes. Now it will ask confirmation, yes or no. Just give yes. Fine. JDK or Java, both are same. If you are new to Java, JDK means if you install JDK stands for Java Development Kit. So everything, that means Java compiler and JRE, everything will be installed in that package. If you install only Java, again you need to install Java compiler if required. So that is that you need to do again and again. So, but if you install complete package JDK, Java Development Kit, so everything will be installed. Yeah, fine. Now let us make sure whether Java installed or not. Java space -- version. Yes, Open JDK 21.0.10. So it got installed. Fine. Now we'll see how to download Tomcat server. For example, if you want to run any Java file or any Java build or application, we need this application server. This is a web and application server, Tomcat. So very frequently, DevOps engineer will be using this Tomcat and Nginx servers. Even when you're practicing DevOps tools, so almost every day you will be just using this Tomcat server whenever you want to deploy something. Fine. Here, let just clear the screen. Now let me just create one folder, Tomcat. You can give this folder name anything, ABC, Tomcat, whatever. Now, usually we will give this full access to this folder with recursively, because if you deploy that application inside this Tomcat server, everybody should be able to access that application once you expose publicly. So that is the reason you should give this. That depends on the requirement. You can just restrict the permissions. You can give full access. That depends. Yeah. CD Tomcat. Now, what I will do, I will just go to this Tomcat official website here. Download Tomcat on Ubuntu. That's it. Enter. Yeah. Apache Tomcat 10, Apache Tomcat 9, 10. I think latest version is 11 as on today. So now we will just go with the 10. Just click on this first link. If you want to change this version here, you can just see here. This download which version in the left hand side, Tomcat 11, 10. So let us install 11. Just here you can just make sure. Again, in binary distributions, you can see zip tar. We'll just download tar file. Just right click on that tar file and select this copy link address. Copy link address, then go to your Linux server. Here wget is the command to download something from the internet. Wget is the command to download something from the internet. So in today's video, you learned wget command also. Very frequently we'll be using this wget. Even curl command also can use. There is a little bit difference between curl and wget. So better you just use wget whenever you want to download something from the internet. And also one more thing you should remember, whenever you are downloading something from the internet. So for example, now we are downloading this Tomcat server. Just make sure you are downloading from the official website of Tomcat. So tomorrow, if you want to download some Docker, make sure you are downloading from the Docker official website. So like that, even Jenkins war file, anything. Now, just let us check. Yes, tar file got downloaded. Now we need to extract it. So this is the tar file, this kind of zip file. You cannot do anything with this. You need to extract. How to extract? Just clear the screen. ls. Yeah, red color tar file is there. Now, tar space -zxvf is the command to extract it. Just copy this and yeah, then enter. Now it's getting extracted. Once it's extracted, you can just delete that tar file. Yes, it's extracted. Clear the screen and now give ls. Once you extracted, you can just delete this tar file because it will consume a lot of space. rms -rf. Yes. Now enter. Yeah, new ls. Yes. Now we have only one blue color folder. This is actual Tomcat server. This is actual Tomcat server. Just go inside this Tomcat server where we need to deploy. Yes. Enter. Yeah. Now give ls. Yes, there are some files and folders inside this Tomcat server. See, web apps and bin. Web apps is the deployment path for Tomcat server. That means whatever applications you want to deploy, you should deploy in this web apps folder. So this is the absolute path of this. This is the deployment path. Even in interview also they can ask you. So what is the default deployment path for Tomcat server? Web apps. Now, once you deploy application inside this web apps folder, you need to run that Tomcat server, because once you run the Tomcat server, automatically your application will start running, because your application is inside this Tomcat server. Yeah. Now come out of this web apps. Now you ls. There is a folder called bin here. Yeah. Just go inside that bin. Yes. Now give ls. So there are again some files or folders or something is there. Here, shutdown.sh, startup.sh. What is this shutdown.sh, startup.sh? .sh means there is a shell scripting file. If you want to start this Tomcat server, you need to run this startup.sh script. Copy this, and how to run it? Just give sh in front of that startup.sh. Then enter. Yes, Tomcat started. You can see. Also, you can run like this. Give dot slash in front of that Linux script. Like this also you can. Now I'm not going to do this. Yes. Now you can connect this Tomcat server by using this public IP address. And if you want to know how to connect, how to deploy really in this Tomcat server, how to connect it, please watch my Jenkins installation video. In that video, I installed Jenkins. Even I showed how to install Java and everything in that. Please watch that Jenkins installation video. Yeah. Here, along with this along with this Tomcat download, we learned wget and how to extract tar file also. Tar space -zxvf, then tar file. Fine. Thank you guys. See you in next video. In next video, we will meet with some important content. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my